welcome back again. It's my YouTube channel. You're welcome. Today I'm just unboxing my silver crest blender. I think a lot of people have seen this blender. I've seen a lot of reviews about this blender for the past few years now. I don't know which year it came to the market, but I think for the past 2-3 years, I don't know where. And I've heard people give a lot of reviews about it. Some says the first time they used it, it was leaking. Some says there was smoke coming out from it. So before I went to buy this blender, I decided to do my own research and search for the original one. I've heard a lot of fake ones in the system. Some say there's one with a white curtain, so they say that one is a fake one. So I want to buy this one. Since this one is the original that most people talk about, the one with the SC158, probably the SC158 is the original that most people talk about. So that's what I got. So it comes with a bigger cap, which has this steering rod to steer while it's blending. And this is the cover. It has this its own lid that you can just like this. Yeah. And it has a smaller cap. I think this one you can use for your smoothies. Yeah, smoothies. And I think this blender is very strong. You can blend your beans, soya beans, cassava, plantain, like you can blend everything. So this is this is how it looks like. Yeah. This is the off and on button. And this is the speed where you want it, at a lower or at a higher speed. And this is also an on and off. I don't know. I think it's an instant on and off button. Yeah, that's how it looks. So normally, I think I've heard that there's the side where it normally leaks, but I've not tried mine yet, so I can't really tell. I can't confirm that it leaks, but I hope it doesn't leak because I spent money to buy. Yeah. And this one, it has a double blade, so it can blend really fast and smooth. So that's all for this blender. I got this at Accra, so those who are looking for this. And I think this is over online. If you want to buy it online, you can just order. As I just decided to go to Accra and buy it because I don't want to order for a blender and be receiving a toy blender, so I just decided to go and buy it myself. So I got it at Accra, which was quite affordable. So if you're thinking of buying, then you should get this one. Looking out for the original one, the curtain must be black, not white, and the number should be SC1589, and it should have a German logo at this side. I think that looks like it's an original one, but people can still make a fake one and still use an original curtain for you. So it depends. Maybe it depends on your luck actually. So that's all for my unboxing. I'll try the blender. Maybe later on I'll do a video and let you guys know how it's worked for me. Thank you for watching.